Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to show you my completed custom that I purchased from DPF on AliExpress. This is a logo for a business for my colleague. My co-worker is opening a business, some kind of like an after-school care / tutoring, and she asked me to diamond paint her logo for her. So I thought that it was a good idea and I purchased this kit. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit. The size is 40 by 50 centimeters, pretty small, but my main goal was for the words to be readable, happy children, not to be pixelated. And this kit contains 21 colors. The quality of the kit is pretty good. Technique-wise, it was a pleasure to diamond paint it. Well printed symbols, very sticky adhesive. The drills are of a very good quality. As you can see, it has a lot of sparkle, although it is square drills. So I'm really very happy that I completed it. And her birthday was on Sunday, yesterday. Of course, we were not working. Today I am off. And tomorrow I'm gonna give it to her as a gift. I even purchased the frame. What else I wanted to show you is the completed diamond paintings from my daughter. She completed this unicorn. I kept an original picture on purpose. That's how it was supposed to turn out. As you can see, it was supposed to be diamond painted with resin drills only, but we decided to customize it with AB diamonds and with the crystals. And I really like it. I think it looks way better than the original picture. Now, she also bead stitched a heart. Unfortunately, I do not have an original picture, but again, it was supposed to be diamond painted with the resin drills only, and we also tried to play with it and diamond painted. Well, she diamond painted differently on both sides. By the way, all the kits are diamond painted from both sides. This is a rainbow. Also, it was supposed to be resin drills. It was supposed to be used with resin drills only. And she diamond painted with the crystals. And the last one is a pouch. All of them are from Diamond Dots. The pouch, this is the original turnout, and this is our final result with the crystals. Here it is. I really like how she completed. And since I'm done with my custom, now I can start working on Autumn Harvest. This is the original picture from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. That is diamond painted with crystals only. Hopefully I will complete it in September, and in October I will start working on Walk Down the Autumn Lane that I showed you yesterday from Diamond Dots. So this is it for today. A pretty short video, but I managed to cover everything. If you have any questions in regards to that, please let me know in the comments. Thank you and see you soon.